How to create histogram in Excel. So if you want to create histogram in your Excel, then first of all open up your Excel, and after opening you can simply open up your Excel workbook, and here you will have your workbook, right? So if you want to create a histogram using these, so what you can do is you can simply go for insert, which is here on the upper left. Click on insert, and here you will have these histograms. So you can simply click on that, and then you can choose the histogram that you would like, and it will automatically make you a histogram. So you can simply enlarge it and drag it wherever you would like to have your histogram. And that's it. That's how you insert histogram, or that's how you create histogram on your Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.